From its first year in 1969, the Oregon Country Fair quickly became one of the premier annual music festivals on the West Coast. The fair today is a community-building event with a worldwide audience that brings together performers and craft vendors from all over the country. Welcoming 45,000 visitors each July, the fair focuses on stewardship in every aspect of planning and execution, creating significant economic impact for our region while working to minimize its environmental impact.
We have to balance the needs of the public, the needs of the fair family who are putting the fair on, and most importantly, the needs of nature. So for 360 days a year, nature rules, and then for a few days, that people rule.
The fair relies solely on an army of dedicated volunteers who ensure attendees receive a world-class experience while achieving the event's sustainability goals, one of which is zero waste.
We strive to be a model for larger society. It's a tradition of a reverence for the land, I think, is really the dominant motto, if you will, and everything else flows from that.
While the fair's keen business sense has allowed it to successfully finance expansion, its commitment to giving back to the community sets it apart. Large-scale grants help provide arts education to Fern Ridge and Veneta schools and assist nonprofits that work on environmental and social issues in Lane County.
Fair was built on giving back to the community. In the beginning, Fair was set up to support our local school. It's strengthened that over the years. You'll find in our endowment and our community giving is stronger than ever before.
For 50 years of thoughtful and effective stewardship of people, resources, and the environment, Travel Lane County congratulates the Oregon Country Fair, recipient of the 2019 Eugene, Cascades, and Coast Stewardship Award.